Hello everyone, I am Asima Biswal. Today I will discuss about Nurkse's view of balanced growth. Okay, Nurkse's view. According to Professor Nurkse, balanced growth is required in order to break the vicious circle of poverty, which is caused mainly by small size of market. Every underdeveloped country is faced with the puzzling problem of circular relationship. Okay, he holds the view that vicious circle of poverty are at work in underdeveloped countries that retard economic development. If they are broken, economic development will follow. Vicious circle works on both demand and supply side. He further states that a circular constellation of forces tending to act and react upon one another in such a way as to keep a country in a state of poverty. To explain this, he considers an example of a poor man. A poor man may not have enough to eat, and due to this he becomes physically weak, and being physically weak, his working capacity would be low. Low working capacity would result in low income, which in turn leads to poverty. Similar situation arises in the case of poor country. According to Nurkse, vicious circle of poverty adversely affect the accumulation of capital in economically underdeveloped countries. Okay, on supply side there is small capacity to save due to low level of income. The low real income results in low productivity, which is again due to deficiency of capital, which is the effect of low capacity to save. While on the contrary, on demand side, inducement to invest is low due to low demand, which is because of the low level of income of the people. Low productivity may be due to small amount of capital used in productivity, may be due to small amount of capital used in production, which in turn may be due to small inducement to invest. The inducement to invest is therefore limited by the size of the market, that in turn depends upon the productivity, as the capacity to buy is in fact the capacity to produce. Okay, how to break the vicious circle? Due to operation of vicious circle in underdeveloped countries, the level of capital formation is low. The underdeveloped countries would not like to roll in morass of underdevelopment forever. They desire to come out of it. Professor Nurkse suggests measures to break the deadlock in terms of his balanced growth thesis. He opines that the vicious circle can be broken by enlarging the size of market, but is not possible by individual investment effort. The individual investment have high risk whether their product will find a market or not. The risk is not finding market reduces the incentive to invest. Okay, in the example of shoe making as quoted by Rodin and supported by Nurkse, the market for the additional shoe output is likely to be different. People engaged in the industry are not intended to invest their entire additional income on shoe only. Different. Okay, people engaged in the industry are not intended to invest their entire additional income on shoe only, as they would have to satisfy their other wants also. Not the people outside the industry buy shoe every year when they lack to meet their other needs. Okay, under these circumstances, market of shoe will lose on simple region of limited size of market, and new industry will meet its doom without adequate market. Okay, Professor Nurkse has tried to explain the effect of such individual investment in a lucid manner. He says a wide range of projects in different industries may succeed. They will all support each other in the sense that people engaged in each project now working with more real capital per head and with greater efficiency in terms of output per mass hour will provide an enlarged market for the products of new enterprises in other industry. Okay, the rate at which only one industry can grow is inevitably conditioned by the rate at which the other industries grow. Okay, this is how to break vicious circle by Nurkse's view. Thanks for watching.